Hi, friend! We are so close to getting that last puzzle piece and opening our book. I can't wait to see what's inside. We've already learned how to listen to words and figure out whether they rhyme or not. Cat, bat. Do they rhyme? Yes! Now, there's just one more thing we need to learn about rhymes. How to make our own. Today, we will come up with our own rhymes when we are given a word. Where's the cat? Where's the bat? They're in the hat. They're in the hat. Hey, when I just came up with a new rhyming word for cat and bat, it sounded like a song. Just like nursery rhymes, a lot of songs use rhyming words. Let's take some words and try to come up with rhyming words so we can write a song. Remember, in order to rhyme, what do two words need to have? The same ending sounds. That's right. Here, I'll give you an example. Every time I hear Mia snore, I just can't sleep anymore. Do you hear how snore and anymore rhyme? They both have what sound at the end? Or, that's right. We can come up with more rhyming words if we want. Other words that rhyme with snore are store, door, and even floor. Every time I hear Mia snore, I just can't sleep anymore. So I find my slippers on the floor and I walk right out the bedroom door. Did you notice all the rhyming words I used in my song? Are you ready to try? Great! Can you come up with some rhyming words for pig? I heard some great ideas. Let's create a rhyming song. My friend Mia bought a pet pig. He had no hair, so she gave him a... Remember, when we make rhyming words, the ending sounds always stay the same, but the beginning sounds can change. Try changing the p in pig to ig, wig. My friend Mia bought a pet pig. He had no hair, so she gave him a wig. But the wig was loose. It was much too... This is a tricky one. Try adding b to that ending sound ig. B-ig. Big. My friend Mia bought a pet pig. He had no hair, so she gave him a wig. But the wig was loose. It was much too big. It always fell off when he danced the... Pig, wig, big. What's that ending sound again? Ig. That's right. Now add the j sound to the beginning. J, ig, jig. Let's sing the whole song. My friend Mia bought a pet pig. He had no hair, so she gave him a wig. But the wig was loose. It was much too big. It always fell off when he danced the jig. Now it's your turn to fill in the rhyming words. My friend Mia bought a pet. He had no hair, so she gave him a... But the wig was loose. It was much too... It always fell off when he danced the... Wow, that was fun! Oh, fun! That would be a great word to put in a song. Now it's time to have some fun. If it's a rainy day or you're in the snow? Fun, snow. Do those rhyme? No. Is there anything that rhymes with fun that I could put there? Now it's time to have some fun. If it's a rainy day or you're in the sun. Fun, sun. Good idea, friend. If it's a rainy day or you're in the sun, you can walk or skip or even hop. Fun, sun, hop. No, that doesn't work. Can you think of a word that rhymes? Now it's time to have some fun. If it's a rainy day or you're in the sun, you can walk or skip or even run. Fun, sun, run. You did it! Let's add one more line. It will need to rhyme with run. And you can laugh and play until the day is over. I really need your help to finish this song. Over doesn't rhyme with fun, sun, and run. Now it's time to have some fun. If it's a rainy day or you're in the sun, you can walk or skip or even run. And you can laugh and play until the day is done. Fun, sun, run, done. They all have what sound at the end of the word? Un. That's right. You thought of some great rhyming words. Let's sing it one more time, but this time I want you to fill in the rhymes. Now it's time to have some. If it's a rainy day or you're in the. You can walk or skip or even. And you can laugh and play until the day is. Great work coming up with all these rhymes, friend. I had a great time making songs with you. Oh, where is that light coming from? It's a very bright light, right? The big book of rhymes. Whoa! Does that mean it's ready to open? I can't even get close enough to see if the last puzzle piece is there. That light is just so bright. Hey, light, bright. Another rhyme. When this bright light stops, I'm going to need your help to get the book open. While we wait, why don't you go ahead and work on the PDF activities and online practice? And I'm going to find some sunglasses. Good idea, Mia. I can't wait to see you next time, friend. Until then, remember to always be clever.
Hey!